Hello everybody, this is Shubhrata only from Kolkata, India for Bombay Talkies. I'm just outside the INOX theatres at the South City Mall, Kolkata after watching the Hindi movie Kesari Chapter 2. This movie is of the historical drama types. The movie is directed by Karan Singh Tyagi and the movie is produced by Karan Johar, Hiru Johar, Aruna Bhatia, Apurva Mehta. The movie stars Akshay Kumar, R. Madhavan, Ananya Pandey and others. Here it is seen that long years back in the history there was in 1919, on 13th April, there was a massacre in Amritsar at the Jallianwala Bagh, where it was in history that the British purposefully opened fire on the people of Amritsar, the Sikhs of Amritsar out there, and got them all killed. It was a genocide where this genocide was led by General Dyer of the British Empire. Basically, what showed that Shankaran Nair, a renowned lawyer who fought for the British Empire first and got criminals convicted on behalf of the Crown, basically knighted Sir Shankaran Nair. And then when incidents occurred, when he fell, the emotions came and he turned his way out to find out the real truth about the Jallianwala Bagh and try to convict and try to go to trial for General Dyer's massacre of the Jallianwala Bagh. Here we see the script is well balanced between the first half and the second half. The cinematography is excellent, the background score is excellent, and the periodical movie is taken care of in a lovely way. And what it is seen is that how this lawyer fights in the court, the British courts basically, to give justice to the people of Amritsar, basically, and was opposed by a big lawyer, R. Madhavan, played by which on behalf of the British Empire were fighting against this. All the tussles were shown and very well done. You won't even have the time to lift your eyes from the screen. Such an excellent battle in court and with real facts. We ourselves did not know a lot of things about the Jallianwala Bagh, which we have come to know today. Hats off to director Karan Singh Tyagi for giving us such an historical drama movie, which is really taken care of in a very excellent manner. The cinematography is excellent and swift, and the dialogues are too good, very powerful dialogues, etc. And it is indeed a very compact movie, a very good one. If I would rate this movie, I would rate this movie 8 out of 10. According to me, the movie is good. All of you take care. Bye-bye.